Bad spark plug symptoms and fixes. You turn the key, but the engine sputters. Believe it or not, a simple $5 spark plug could be the problem. When spark plugs go bad, even the most reliable car can feel like a sluggish old clunker. Hard starts, rough idling, or a sudden loss of power, these are all warning signs. So, let's learn how to spot bad spark plugs before they leave you stranded. What are spark plugs and why they matter? Spark plugs are small, insulated devices that sit inside your engine's cylinders. Each time you start your car, they fire tiny bolts of electricity that ignite the air-fuel mixture. That explosion pushes the pistons, and that's what powers your car. Simply put, no spark, no start. They might be small, but spark plugs have a huge impact on performance and fuel efficiency. When they wear out or get dirty, they can't ignite fuel properly, and that's when the trouble starts. Symptoms of bad spark plugs. Symptoms number 1, check engine light. Modern cars constantly monitor engine misfires. If a plug fails to fire, your car's computer will detect it and turn on the check engine light. A blinking light often means a serious misfire. Don't ignore it. It could be your spark plugs sending you a warning. Symptoms number 2, engine misfire and rough running. One classic symptom is a misfire. When a cylinder skips a beat, you'll feel the engine stutter, jerk, or lose power, especially when accelerating. It's like the engine is coughing instead of running smoothly. If you notice this rough running, a bad spark plug is a likely cause. Symptoms number 3, hard starting. If your engine cranks but doesn't start easily, worn spark plugs might be struggling to create a strong spark. The car may take longer to fire up or even stall right after starting. Many people blame the battery or fuel, but often it's weak spark plugs. Symptoms number 4, rough idling. At a stoplight, your engine should hum quietly. If instead it shakes, sputters, or vibrates, that's a red flag. A fouled spark plug can make the idle uneven and make your car feel like it is shivering or about to stall. Symptoms number 5, poor fuel economy. Burning more gas than usual? Bad spark plugs waste fuel because they don't ignite it completely. That means lower MPG and more money at the pump. If your fuel economy drops suddenly, it's time to check the plugs. Symptoms number 6, weak acceleration or power loss. Does your car feel sluggish when you press the gas? Fouled plugs can't create enough spark under load, causing poor combustion. The result? Slow acceleration and weak power when climbing hills or overtaking. Quick testing tips, DIY. Number 1, listen and observe. Turn off the radio and really listen to your engine. Do you hear popping, coughing, or feel vibrations when idling or accelerating? Those are classic spark plug symptoms. Number 2, inspect a plug. If you're comfortable with basic tools, you can check a plug yourself. Make sure the engine is off and cool. Remove a plug using a spark plug socket. Now look at the tip. Light gray or tan, that's healthy. Black, oily, or covered in gunk. That plug is fouled and needs cleaning or replacing. Blistered or burned, it's been running too hot. Replace it immediately. Number 3, check the wires or coil packs. Make sure the spark plug wires or coil packs are firmly connected. A loose or damaged wire can cause similar misfire symptoms. Push each wire or coil down snugly. Sometimes that simple fix solves the issue. Spark plugs are small, cheap, and easy to replace, yet they play a massive role in your car's performance. Replacing them regularly can restore smooth starts, strong acceleration, and better fuel economy. So, the next time your engine sputters, don't panic. It might just be time for new spark plugs. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to The Engine Fixer for more DIY car repair tips every week. Thanks for watching The Engine Fixer, and I'll see you in the next video.